Yeah, so that's 6 minutes into the open, and I'm doing pretty well. So Nikola is just bouncing back. So I'm getting out of Nikola completely. BBBY is still holding. So I had one opening range breakup on BBBY, Best Bath and Beyond. So I jumped in a little bit too early on Bed Bath and Beyond. So I shouldn't have jumped in the first 1 minute, but setup was really ready for the break of pre-market high. I got out, but as soon as it came up, I just got a really bad feel on it. But still, the volume was there, the big asks were there, and then at from 1838 all the way to 1850, I got filled and just sold over 19. And also, we did crack the 19 as well. So that's yeah, it still is going up. I think it might actually go. So it might actually go for a little bit higher. So I'm just slowly getting out of it. I think it might go for another crack of 19. So that's this trade, and yeah. And IWM, I had some swing on it from last night. I got in a little bit on the pre-market and also just right at the open. But as soon as it claimed the VWAP, I jumped back in their line at 151 and popped up toward this 151.40. I don't know what it's gonna do. SPY looks really strong, so let's see what IWM is doing. That pop, if it's holding or not. So let's see if Bed Bath and Beyond can do anything. I might actually add on that. Let's see if you can get another break of 19. On the daily chart, if you look at it, I'm back into weekly chart 1894. Yeah, I think it's gonna stay strong. So let's see if you can crack 19. Let's see if there's any big ask we're seeing here. Usually there's big ask like 400, 300 lots. That's a very bullish sign.
Just got long a little workhorse. You know, it's not. I'm kind of chasing it, so size is small.
IWM is coming down. I don't want to go negative on it, so I'm getting out of my IWM position. I'm all out on IWM position. Maybe I regret doing that, but it's just I'm holding on that. So getting out a little bit more on this BBBY. I didn't see a big ask again for break of 19. It's because I didn't see any big ask at the break of 19. Okay, now it's coming back to my break-even point. So there's really no point for me to stay in there. So I'm getting out of it completely. Done. So I'm up 8 grand, including that IWM position. I think
selling some workhorse here, 2650.
Yeah, Workhorse.
Nice stingray.
Wow, Workhorse, beautiful opening range breakout, really nice.
Yeah, I just got it on that little pullback there.
Wow, look at that beauty.
Here we go, selling more, 2670.
Wow, Brian took that really nicely.
Yeah, I just didn't take a lot because I was chasing it at that point. I know some members got a better entry than I did, way better.
Wow, look at this big squeeze. It's gonna go to 27. Why didn't I have this
26
one in that chart? Yeah, anyway, so that was also kind of a quick recap because I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Bed Bath and Beyond is doing a consolidation. This is amazing. Oh, look at that twin. Look at that 27.
Nice, Michael. Beauty. Here we go.
The big ask
okay,
big ask here at 27.
27.
Yeah. I think it's gonna crack.
I'm getting out of it. 26.95 just because the previous day high is right here. See, exactly. That's exactly where it rejected. Previous day high. Exactly.
I was thinking of actually shorting it at 27. Damn.
Yeah, that would have been the place to short it. Wow, look at it drop now.
Yeah.
Holy.
I was thinking of shorting it, but again, I just didn't want to do that. I'm also recording it, so
Just took an entry there. It really dropped a lot. 26.36.
I'm looking at it for potential breakout of 27 again, because I saw that big ask. So if we do a consolidation, we might jump back in there. So I'm gonna look into that and see what we get.
Talk to you.
SPY is making highs. I'm jumping back onto my IWM position. I'm back long on IWM. Looks like a really nice consolidation. It would have been a really good call option trades too.
Yeah.
I'm back long on IWM. I didn't want to hold it because IWM has a tendency to sell off just at the open. So that's why I got out, but I'm getting back in there. I mean, $2 commission is nothing. I'm just jumping back in there. Big ask. Let's see if we can get there. Yeah, look at that. SPY is ripping higher.
So sold some of my partial. There's some of my add back. 60.
On Workhorse.
Yeah.
This level on Workhorse 2672. Where did I get that? I think that's actually an irrelevant level now, because now we are having this near 27. I'm still hopeful that maybe we can get another break of 27. We need a consolidation. It was really extended on a 5-minute chart. That's why, you know, it just sold off so bad. I mean, you don't want this stock to be way too extended on some time frames. Nikola lost it. Bed Bath and Beyond. BBBY I think has another potential breakout on it. Oh yeah, it's coming up.
Neo's heading lower too. By the looks of it.
Yeah, look at this huge ask, 1865. That's a big ask. 1865 might actually. I wanted to see the. I also got filled too, so that's a perfect example of see the gut filled as well. Look at this 18. I was actually going to trade it. It just happened so fast. We saw a huge ask. A lot of people are asking me why this is a bullish sign. Just look at this example. We saw that 1865, 174 lots, even more than that. I think there's a big lot and actually got filled. I did come at trade it, but just happened so fast that yeah. Well, you don't have to be on every move. That's another thing. I mean, for someone who I'm up $8,000, I really don't need to be another move. Just waiting. Nikola is selling off. Potential short on Nikola. Oh yeah, Nikola is really losing it. Bids getting lower down there.
Yeah, same with Workhorse.
SPY sold off. Yeah, that's exactly what I was afraid about. IWM. Nikola, want to head down for the break of low of the day.
There's a level there, around 2155-ish.
Yeah, baby BBBY is just ripping higher. Oh, I gotta be in this move. Too bad.
Just took a while to resolve that. Geez, it did a little pullback there too.
That was a perfect entry. Look at the beautiful bounce from the low of pre-market. Beautiful. I wanted to really jump in. Seeing that big ask at 1860, I just wanted to jump in, but yeah, it just didn't happen so fast. And that's the problem with the scalping. You need to be really fast, otherwise you missed a good entry, and you don't want to be in a bad entry stocks. There one opportunity we're looking at. So Workhorse. I was thinking of maybe we can get another long on the Workhorse, but look, yeah, dropped. Too bad. I'm actually getting. Yeah, I was thinking of maybe we can do some consolidation for the break of 27, but these drops are really questionable, so I really don't want to trade this anymore. I was thinking of if it just does the consolidation on a 1 minute chart until these moving averages reach, and then maybe we can have another one, because I saw a big ask here, but these big drops are not fun. So all right, so I think I'm gonna call it a day here. What time is it? 9:46. And I actually did record some of this level 2 action. I'm gonna post it on YouTube as well, specifically because some people asked about this level 2. So we got another level 2 example that we just got together in BBBY. Huge ask that we saw, it actually got filled, so we could actually see that in time and sales as well. All right, guys, so I'm gonna stop the recording. Thank you so much for those of you who are watching this recap on YouTube. And so there's another one that we have here at 1925, 2500 lot. Yeah, have a good day. If you liked the video, liked it. If you didn't like it, dislike it. If you have any question, comment on this. I'll try to do more often. I mean, not every day. I don't want to be a YouTuber, but or entertainer. But time. I think we have some genuine followership in our YouTube. It's sometimes putting these it's good stuff, but generally I don't, you know, the reason that I stopped doing these recaps and stuff was because I don't want to become a YouTuber, you know what I mean? Just entertainer. There's so many of these channels that people are entertaining you rather than really giving high quality material that you can actually make money out of it. I mean, they do that too, but I just don't want to be a YouTuber. I'm a trader and I want to stay a trader. All right, so that's it.